Powder contour can make you look dusty and dirty or sculpted and snatched. Let me show you the do's and don'ts. The type of brush you use matters. Using a thick, dense brush will apply too much contour at one time and make you regret ever using powder contour. There needs to be movement in the bristles. Denser brushes are great for cream, but these fluffy brushes are great for bronzer, and this one is perfect for contour. It's slim, it's precise, and that's what you want. The precision of the brush, but blends seamlessly into the skin. Going straight in with a cool contour to your cheek can look very wrong. Casket ready, a little dead. Instead, go in with bronzer first to act as a transition into the dimension of the contour, kind of like an eyeshadow. So contour after bronzer with the right brush in the precise area that you want is what you want to do. Contour is like makeup surgery. You're creating shape while bronzer is giving you warmth. Knowing the difference will help you snatch any part of your face. I do this series because Instagram and TikTok makeup can be applied in a way where it's fun to look at. So this is for my girlies who want to learn how to apply makeup in real life.